This tutorial is on how to deploy your Next.js server-side application as a web service using Antryk Web Services feature. So, Next.js is a React framework that makes it easy to build fast, SEO-friendly web applications with server-side rendering and modern full-stack features. With SSR, pages are rendered on the server for every request, which is great for dynamic content, SEO, and faster first page loads. Now, why SSR apps are better deployed as a web service? So, static hosting is for pre-built HTML files, but SSR apps need a live server to generate pages dynamically. That's why Next.js SSR apps should be deployed as a web service. Now, to deploy your web application or your Next.js application, first of all, you need a Next.js application deployed to your GitHub repository. For this tutorial, I have created a very simple Next.js application. Let's see it. So this is our Next.js application, which is pretty simple, only a single file. And this complete code is server side rendered. We have not used any client component, client side code, or any client component. So here we are first printing this string, and second we are denoting time or noting the current time. And the proof that this is a server side rendered application will be whenever we will refresh the page, the code will execute and we will get the time which is different. The time will not be cached. We'll get the current time rather than the old time. So this is a pretty simple application. And for saving the time, I have deployed it on the GitHub as well. So let's move on to your Antryk dashboard. To deploy a new web service, come on the top, click on deploy new and click on deploy a web service. After that, let's start with this form. Service name. Give your service a professional name. Then connect with your Git provider. Then configure in GitHub. By clicking this button, you can provide and tweak your repositories. For now, we have already provided our required repository. Then select your repository from choose a repository section. Select your branch, and then Antryk's algorithm will automatically detect all the build configurations and runtime configurations. Like this is Node.js language, version is 22 of Node.js, framework is Next.js, install command used for installing the packages, build command used to build your application, start command to start the application, the output directory, and the root directory. So for root directory, this should only be modified if your root directory resides one level inside. And if not the case, then no action is needed. Let's come to network and region. So starting with global CDN, we can see this is automatically enabled. So let's understand CDN is content delivery network, and it is automatically enabled for SSR applications to serve static assets globally. Now, for Next.js SSR apps, enabling global CDN is recommended because it speeds up static assets delivery while the server still handles dynamic page rendering. That does not mean your SSR HTML is cached globally. It mainly helps serve static assets faster, such as JS bundles, CSS, images, fonts, and static files. Now coming to the region, we have various region. Let's select one of them. Then this is the env section or environment variable section. You can add your environment variables, delete them, modify them, import them via another file, paste them, do all sorts of operation. For now, we don't have any env variable, so we will skip this section. Then select plan according to your requirement. After that, click on deploy service. It's that simple. You will be redirected to the project detail page where you can see the overview page, deploys page, domain management page, redirect rules page, logs of application logs, request logs, then env variable section and settings. Now we have to wait for some time as our deployment is in progress. Now our application has been deployed successfully and we can see our status that it's running. To test whether our application is running fine or not, we just have to click on the active domain and let's see. So we can see our website is working properly. We have the string and then the time. So let's see if on refreshing the time change or not. Let's refresh it and it changes. So therefore, in this tutorial, we have seen how to deploy our server-side rendered Next.js application using Antryk web services feature.